हेलो एवरीवन, मिन्नी की मिठास में आप सभी का स्वागत है। उम्मीद करती हूँ जो भी मेरी इस वीडियो को देख रहा है वो सब लोग सेफ हैं, सुरक्षित हैं अपने अपने घरों में। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके साथ ऐसे गुलाब जामुन की रेसिपी लाई हूँ जिसे खा के आपके मुंह में बहुत ही टेस्टी स्वाद आ जाएगा। और वो है सूजी के गुलाब जामुन। सूजी के गुलाब जामुन बिना खराब हुए कभी भी बना सकते हैं, एकदम नरम और परफेक्ट बनाए जा सकते हैं।
So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Firstly, we will prepare sugar syrup for gulab jamun. Take a pan and add 1 cup sugar. Also add 1 cup of water. We don't have to make a thick sugar syrup. It should be semi-thick, like we have honey or ghee. That should be like that only. I have also added 4 to 5 cardamoms in the sugar syrup. So guys, our sugar syrup is ready. As you can see, it should be like this only. We don't want so much sticky. Now I have taken another kadai and I will put 1 spoon ghee in it and I will grease it from all the sides. I have put. Now we will grease it. You can also grease it with your hands, or if you have any brush you can grease it with that also. All the sides we will grease it so that if you put anything into it, it doesn't stick to it. I boiled this milk and it's on the room temperature. Now we will just boil it on the medium flame. For a good smell, I have just put 1 cardamom into it. You can also use as much as you want. Now our milk is getting boiled. We will put the flame to low. And slowly we will put suji into it. Don't put all, just put very slowly and mix it gradually like this. You have to put suji only 1 cup. The measuring cup with the help of which you put the sugar or the milk, you have to put suji with that cup only. Now you can see the suji has absorbed all the milk. Now it's a time to switch off our flame. The suji has absorbed all of it. Now take a plate or a bowl and grease it with ghee or oil. I am greasing it with ghee, putting everywhere. Now you can see I have poured the suji into the plate and we will just let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our suji is almost cool and you can see how smooth is it, how smooth the dough it is being made. can see you have to prepare the dough like this only. Okay. Now add 1 spoon ghee on this dough and spread it all the side. We are putting the ghee on this dough so that the gulab jamuns are so soft from inside also. Now I have taken a kadai and I have put oil into it. You can also put ghee if you want, and we will put the gas flame to the low side. Till then we prepare our gulab jamuns. Now you can see so soft and smooth balls have been prepared. Now I think oil is also perfectly hot. We will just put a small drop of it and we will see to it that it is being properly hot or not. I'm just putting a small ball. No, the oil is not properly hot, I think. Has to be. Now you can see it's now properly hot. The bubbles are arising over here. The oil is perfectly hot now. We will start putting our balls into it. We have to fry these gulab jamun on the medium heat, and you have to fry till it becomes golden brown. Now you can see our gulab jamuns are almost golden brown. Now we will take them out and put in the sugar syrup. You can see how delicious gulab jamuns have been prepared. Now we will put into sugar syrup. Now I have put all the gulab jamuns into the sugar syrup, and after 30 to 40 minutes we will take them out and we will see how it looks. Now you can see Suji gulab jamuns are perfectly ready. I hope you liked my video, and if you like, then please subscribe and share with your lovely friends and family. And till then, take care and be safe.